what up? I'm an independent artist by the name of One Hit Wonder, and I have cancer. I was diagnosed in June 2016 after suffering a full-out seizure for the first time. Doctors found a tumor on my brain in which they later deemed cancerous. My only option was to suck it up and keep pushing. The first step was surgery to remove the tumor. Surgeons removed as much of the tumor they could without damaging any of my speech or motor skills. After recovering from the operation, I spent most of the summer in Philadelphia, undergoing photon radiation treatment, alongside chemotherapy and pill form. This isn't a feel sorry for me video, it's about raising awareness. After losing 3 grandparents to cancer, you kinda just blame it on old age. I have one grandparent left, my grandmother, and she had breast cancer. I want to thank the American Cancer Society for the much needed and appreciated support I received throughout my treatment process. Also, I'd like to thank the doctors, nurses, and staff at Penn Medicine and Lehigh Valley Network in Pennsylvania. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm out.